Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, September 6th. It's 8 o'clock. I did work out today. We didn't do anything too hard. I'm tired. I cried a lot today. So I told you guys I have to have the root canal, I think. And it's bothering me, and so it's scheduled for next Tuesday. And so I call, and when I rescheduled the appointment, because I was just gonna have it glued in on this past Tuesday, but I was like, no, I can't, like it hurts too bad. Where it didn't hurt before until after they did all this shit. And so I call about the sedation again, because the reason I got sedation the first time is for the root canal and the crown. Well, they decided not to do the root canal. We put it up to her judgment. Well, I need it because it hurts. I'm really sensitive, and trust me, I don't want a root canal. If I can save some money, yeah, give a girl back. Well, it turns out I have to pay an additional $500 for the sedation again. It's some Valium and then whatever other pill that they give you. It's not some like mind-blowing, super expensive drug. It's freaking Valium, and then whatever the other one is. It's like they're making me pay $500 again for a choice that you made. I cried so hard because it stresses me out. Not that I can't afford it. I can afford it. I work in high tech. My husband works in high tech. We can afford it. But it's the fact that I'm now having to pay for something that someone else made the decision. Does that make sense? Like, I didn't make this decision. I was prepared for the root canal and the crown in one visit. I was prepared. Well, I wasn't prepared, but that's why I had sedation. But like, now I'm having to pay for it again. So I think I'm gonna find another dentist. I'm just gonna have to suck it up and pay the $500, but they were supposed to get back to me on the phone today. It doesn't surprise me that they didn't, because I freaked out at them. So she went and talked to my dentist, and keep in mind, they're great. They do good work. Like, it's not like I'm disappointed in the work. I mean, I'm sucks that I have to have a root canal, but I shouldn't have to pay for sedation when you decided not to do it. That makes no sense. Or give me like 50% off because you decided not to do it. Like, anyway, I'm getting a little riled up. And so I cried a lot, and I tried not to cry on the phone, but you know, my irrational fear, I mentioned it in a vlog, it's this. And so I'm like, I just don't understand why I would have to pay again when she made the decision not to do it. I didn't make the decision. I don't know. I'm not the dentist. I don't know this. And I understand that her decision could be wrong, and it was. And I totally give her all the grace in that. But why am I paying more money? Keep in mind, I paid $1,300 to already have this done. And I prepaid for the root canal. They can see on my account that I paid for the root canal already because it was supposed to happen last time. And so I've just been a stress ball since Sunday. I haven't had a good cry since Sunday, and I was talking yesterday about, like, I'm really sad about it for no apparent reason. Like, I mean, yeah, it sucks that you had your earrings taken out and it really hurt, but like, it's not, like, I'm like irrationally sad about that as well. Irrational is like the word of the week. And so I cried. I've been down all day. I've been down all week. Like Tuesday, I don't think I vlogged. Was it Tuesday I didn't vlog? What was yesterday? Wednesday? I don't even know what today is. I think I already said it though. I didn't vlog Tuesday because I was in just a terrible mood. I just was not, it was just not good. Like, I'm just really sad this week, and I don't know why. I'm assuming it's because of my ear, or the fact that it was my ear. I'm stressed out from work because I have a lot of things going on, and then I have to work this weekend, and then I have my root canal, and then like the fact that I had to pay an additional $500, and who knows if like insurance doesn't cover that. Again, I can afford it. It's not about the affording, it's about I have to pay for this, and it wasn't my decision. and I know I'm gonna have to pay for it. Like, they didn't call me back, and the only time I can go get this stupid medicine is drive an hour to go get it, because that's where my dentist is. And I have to take, this is now my second day I have to take off for work for something that should have been done day one. So now I'm taking 2 days off of work instead of one. Instead of $500, it's now $1,000. So it's like, I feel like I'm just getting screwed. And I take care of my teeth. Like, ugh. And then, again, I've just had a terrible week and I lost track of time. I feel terrible. I was working on this lady's order and it's overdue and I feel terrible. She messaged me and I messaged her right back and I was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. I don't have an excuse. I lost track of time. Like literally no excuse. Like I literally just lost track of time and I feel terrible because I have a 2-week processing time. And just, I think with my ear and the holiday, and so it's like, I feel absolutely terrible. And I know life happens, but like, I give myself the space to do that. And I worked on her order. I obviously have seen it recently. I'm looking at it. I have to cut vinyl out, and that was what I was waiting on. I haven't cut it out, and I'm just like totally overwhelmed, and I just want to cry some more. But I did go to the gym today, and I'm really tired. I didn't like burn a ridiculous amount of calories today. It was kind of just trying to stay, I'm just trying to stay active. Like I feel like if I work out, and I have these curly cues, ooh, I'm a mess. And I know like things like this in life happen, and it's just, and I think it's almost that time, you know? So like I'm a mess. And like this week is just not rational, and I'm not rational, and I'm just a mess. So I'm going to cut this poor lady's order right now. It's 8 o'clock, 8:15. And I might as well do the other one that I have open that is waiting for vinyl as well. And I just feel terrible that it wasn't done on time. And it's something I could have avoided, and obviously I didn't, and it just sucks. And it sucks that I'm a human as well. I wish just sometimes it would just be like, sometimes I'm a robot and it just works and everything is great. It's not. So I'm hoping after this situation goes away that I'll be at my goal, my little mini goal, to see another number that I haven't seen in a while. But that would be quite a bit of weight to lose. That would be like, well, technically I'm up 1.5 since before, because it's that time, but I don't know if it's because I'm losing, so I'm not really gaining as much. So I don't really know where I'm gonna fall, but it would be great to be in a lower number than like the lower 10. So let's say you're 100 and you want to be 90. Like I want to be in that next bracket down, because I don't know what weighs a lot to people, but I feel like people who are 100 pounds and want to weigh 90, I mean, that you have to be real tiny for that to be a healthy thing. So again, I'm getting lost. I'm just a mess, and I am going to work on this order and feel terrible, and just hopefully she forgives me. So, all right guys, I will see you later or tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got home from my workout, so I'm a mess, but you guys are so used to that. It is Saturday, September 8th, and I had a really good workout this morning. I did the elliptical, and then I did the treadmill. So I just did it for about an hour. Burned 525 calories, because yesterday we went out to dinner. We had maybe a brownie, just saying. So they're messing with the egg right now because we need a new table. So we got like a like a nest, because like our table was terrible. Whoop. And I'm gonna be cleaning my house today. Only until about 2 because I have to go to a thing, a housewarming party, and then I'm working, and I'm working in the office tomorrow, so. Yeah, it's Sunday tomorrow. And then I have my root canal on Tuesday. I just ate a spicy salad from Chick-fil-A. If you haven't had it, eat it. It's amazing. It's only, I use half the dressing of the chili lime, and it's only $2.90 because I don't put all the other things in it, like the tortilla chips and the pumpkin seeds. And then the dressing is only 30 calories. Chili lime. It's the bomb, okay? Yeah, my ear. Yeah, I don't know. It's hanging in there. The bottom one almost has like nothing on the back there, but obviously where they sliced my ear, it's gonna take a while to heal. And my house is a mess, but Deemy looking so fat and so cute. Hello. I don't know when you last saw me. I have a feeling it was like something to do with the grill. I think. I showered, took some blow dry to my hair. I don't know. Can you see your egg? I think you can. I mean, it's not gonna look great. But yeah. We got rid of the table because it was disgusting. We did not do everything you were supposed to. You're supposed to like restain it every single year. We didn't do that. I was deciding if I want to straighten my hair. I might just add some waves. Like, I'm not gonna do like my wavy one. I think I'm gonna do it with a curler. I gotta do some makeup because, yeah. I know, just breaking everything here. We're not really doing anything. We're going to watch the game, so I don't feel like I need to get like super presentable. But yeah, we'll see. Perfect. I think I feel like I need to change my shirt. Oh my god, it looks so much better with eyebrows. I hate that my eyebrows are so whatever. I mean, they're still there, but there's not like anything to them. But yeah. So this is my makeup without my eyebrows. Let's see if that'll adjust. But yeah, see, it's just like a tiny wave through. Nothing to, no. There we go. There, no, there. Oh, that sun's super bright. Okay, that's it. Simple. Put my eyebrows on downstairs. You guys know what eyebrows look like, so yeah. I do think I'm gonna change my shirt though, cause not in like a presentable outfit. Like, I mean, I am. I'm just in a t-shirt. Oh, that one's starting to look bad too. Just a t-shirt, and then some shorts that are just like super loose. They're not like anything super heavy. So yeah, I think I'm changing. All right, let me ask you a question. Does anyone else feel like they look more put together in jeans? I don't know if that's just because, you know, it holds all up that end, but like I instantly feel more put together. I don't have to do much. I have a belt on so they stay on, but like legit feel perfectly fine. No. I just hate shorts. I don't know why. Not that I feel like I look terrible in shorts, like whatever, but jeans just look so much better. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I think I'm leaving early, and I don't think Mike and his friends are. So it might just be me tonight chilling on the couch, because I'm not staying forever, because you know we got time for that. All right, I'll see you later.